Hi there, today I'm looking at two great new products from ALOGIC. So the first is a 100-watt rapid car charger, and you can see how small this is. So you've probably seen car chargers where the barrel sticks out and it's a bit bulky. This is designed to literally just stick in your cigarette lighter and barely, occupy any other space. Also, you can see it's got a USB-A and a USB-C charger, and it can charge laptops, tablets, phones. It supports fast charging, 100 watts. So that's quite awesome. The second is really exciting. I mean, that's great and exciting, but this is also really exciting. And this is a 67-watt rapid charger. So you can see a couple of things. First of all, you can see that it's got support for multiple USB outputs. So it can support USB-C, USB-A. You can charge your laptop, your phone, tablet, all from one. But you can also see that it has these detachable and replaceable international power plugs. So this is, I mean, you don't have to travel with it, but you can travel with it. I mean, you could use it at home and just leave it always connected to your Australian input rather. But you can also take this with you, and that's really exciting because I've traveled, you've traveled. You know, you go traveling and your bag is generally full of these international power plugs, and sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. They're a bit dodgy. They're certainly bulky, and you need one for your laptop and one for your phone. I've started taking US power plugs with me when I travel, little, USB ones like that. But again, you need one for your phone, one for your laptop, and one for your tablet. So with this is really awesome. This is, and of course, you travel with these power plugs, and you may not need an adapter, but then you need one. You go to Europe, and the US one doesn't work there. The Australian one doesn't work, so you end up having to resort to one of these anyway, unless you carry plugs for every country you go to. So this is where this is really, really awesome. This is one device that's really portable. I mean, look how light this is, and we'll open it up in a sec. So this is one device that allows you to charge 3 devices at once, anywhere in the world you may be, with one power plug, and not very thick at all. You could use this on a plane. You could use this in, wherever you may be. You go to hotels these days and you struggle to find power plugs sometimes. So these are terrific. But before I do that, just a bit on ALOGIC. So ALOGIC is well-known brand, but also a very reputable quality brand. And I just want to show you, here we go. So I have on my work computer here an ALOGIC webcam, and this great monitor here, this is an ALOGIC Clarity monitor. It's superb. I don't really think that I did you justice then to showing you that, but it's great. So what I'm saying is, look, I use ALOGIC products myself in my own day-to-day and love my ALOGIC monitor. It's really, really awesome. So let's open these up. Actually, I'll start with the cigarette lighter one. So this is a car power charger and 100 watts output. And you can charge 2 devices at once. And I'm really keen to see how small it is. Okay, oh, it's well sealed. Pardon me, sorry. I sometimes wonder, should I open it beforehand? But then that would take some of the magic out of doing it. I want you to see the experience for yourself. Okay, let us. It's well stuck down. Okay, all right, box is open. So inside, here we go, and I'm seeing this for the first time. Okay, box is empty, teeny tiny. In fact, most of it is the plastic case. There's also an instruction manual, pamphlet, and this is it. Okay, so let's get it out of here. Let's get it out of here. And there we go. So literally, it's virtually no bigger than the barrel of your cigarette lighter. You stick that in, and really that's all you're going to see. Just two, a USB-A and a USB-C socket for your cables, and just sticking out your cigarette lighter, looking at you. Easy, not like one of those big long barrel ones. So that's very nice. Got a very solid feel to it as well. Okay, so let's now look at the 67-watt rapid power charger. So 3-port, multi-country. Again, just got to deal with this. Oh, that came off much easier. Okay, while I'm opening this, let me tell you something. So you'll see that it says it's a 3-port multi-country GaN charger. Now, you might start seeing that term a lot because this is great new technology. GaN stands for gallium nitrate. So that's the chemical symbol for gallium, chemical symbol for nitrate. And what this means, so this is a great new semiconductor technology, which is much more robust. It's a very hard, mechanically stable, wide bandgap semiconductor. Now, that's a very highfalutin term, but what that means is that it offers faster switching speed, higher breakdown strength, higher thermal conductivity, lower on resistance. Ultimately, it means that you can have faster power transfer, you can charge things faster, you can have higher current. It is less susceptible to heat problems as a result, because it can conduct heat better. It doesn't have as many heat issues as other semiconductor technology. You can also miniaturize things. It doesn't need as much space. So all that is a very fancy way of saying that a GaN charger, wait till you see the size of this, a GaN charger can be much smaller than chargers you've been used to in the past because of the technology it uses, which also allows it to charge faster, it lasts longer, more durable, conducts less heat, and smaller. So here we go. Now, imagine any other power brick or power adapter you've seen that can support 3 separate inputs at once, and then ask yourself, has it ever been this small? So look at that. That's just phenomenal. So, and again, in true ALOGIC style, it's very stylish, it always has a great professional, brushed metal look. ALOGIC really do have a great design, but you can absolutely see we have a USB-A charger, 2 USB-C chargers. Okay, anyway. And we have our international socket there. So you could plug that straight into a US power plug, just as it is. Or coming in the little carry case, which I'll show you, there's 4 international ones. Okay, so here's the Australian one. Great. So I would fold that up, and so fold the prongs up, slide it down. Ta-da. Okay, so there's my Australian charger for 3 devices at once. I mean, that's incredible just for using in Australia, let alone traveling. But you know what? You're in the airport, you go to America, or you're in the plane, whatever. Okay, might take a bit of practice. Here we go. Push on the charging thing itself. Yep, and then it slides out. Okay, easy once you know how. And then you go to Asia, you go to Europe, go to Australia, and you can slide in and out the other charging heads. Now, that said, you don't just stick this in your bag. Let me show you this awesome case that it comes with. So this comes in the box. Open it up. Ta-da! There is your charger. Whoops, your charger, your international power heads, and guess what? ALOGIC even give you, smells good, a USB-C cable. So straight out of the box, you can charge your, your Surface tablet, your MacBook, your modern phone, your iPad, what other tablets. They give you a little cable tidy as well, and a little instruction booklet. So this is, this is awesome. I mean, far out. If you're a traveler, there's nothing else to say. You need it. You need this. This device will charge your laptop, your phone, your tablet from one power point. Hardly any bulk to it at all. Very tiny, very economical on space. You don't need adapters. You can go to any country and plugs into any PowerPoint straight away. I think this is awesome, and absolutely, if you are planning to go to travel anywhere, or if you've got 3 devices you want to charge from one PowerPoint, you should take that with you. So that's the ALOGIC 67-watt rapid power charger with 3-port multi-country, 3-port multi-country GaN charger, and the 100-watt rapid power car charger. So these are both awesome. They're both available now. They're from ALOGIC. Thank you very much.